In this task, we create an interaction policy. Use the Navigation History button to return to the data model. Create a new composite attribute. Name it Storm Alert and give it the type Boolean. Return to your model. In the Weather Advice node, create a new business rule. Name it Storm Rule and select Weather is Storm Alert. Click Create and then define the rule. Return to the diagram. Now set the order of the rules in the Weather Advice node. Select First Rule Applies. Set the storm rule to run before the weather table. Now you can run the model to check the changes. The new Storm Alert attribute has been added to the test data. Enter your test data. The output includes a storm alert. Now change the test data. The output changes and no storm alert is shown. Continue to the next task.